In this video, I will show you exactly how to implement a professional picture-based multiple-choice grid interface within Typeform. This is a fantastic way to make your surveys more engaging and visual for your audience. To get started, open your form structure and click on the plus icon to add a new element. From the list of available question types, you need to select Picture Choice. Once you have added this block, the next step involves uploading your custom graphics. You should go ahead and upload your specific images into each individual answer slot. To ensure clarity for your respondents, remember to add a descriptive text label beneath every single graphic you have uploaded. After your images are ready, we need to focus on the grid layout configuration to make everything look cohesive. Head over to the right-hand question settings panel for this part. You will see a toggle labeled Supersize Images. It is very important that you switch this toggle to the off position. By doing this, you force the tiles to sit neatly side by side rather than stacking on top of each other. This creates that clean grid effect we are looking for. Finally, you can choose your preferred interface display mode to further customize how the gallery appears to your users. Simply follow these steps, and you will have a beautiful, functional grid interface that helps your form stand out. It is a simple process that yields professional results every single time you use it.